How to fix Discord loading chunk failed. There are a couple of fixes that you need to try. First is hard refresh Discord. While on the Discord error screen, hit Ctrl plus R for Windows and Linux, and for Mac, Command and R. This forces Discord to reload and often resolves the issue immediately. Second, force quit and relaunch. Open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time, and all Discord processes, and then relaunch the app to see if it loads correctly. Third, delete temporary files. Press Windows and R at the same time, type %temp% and press enter. Delete all files in the temp folder and then restart Discord. Fourth, clear cache and app data. Press Windows and R at the same time and then enter %appdata%. Then go to Discord and delete cache and local storage files, and then restart Discord afterward. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.